Sometimes simplicity is best. This Asian noodle salad is proof. Made with rice noodles, fresh veggies, and delicious peanut sauce, it's our favorite way to enjoy light and refreshing summer meal. Also packed with lean protein like chicken breast and tofu, and creamy homemade peanut sauce, this dish is bursting with taste and texture. We love throwing in colorful veggies like red bell peppers, green onion, shredded cabbage, and carrots. But feel free to customize it with your favorites. This is a perfect recipe for that hot summer day. Try it and let us know what you think. This Asian noodle salad is all about the dressing. We created a flavor explosion with savory, sweet, and tangy notes, balanced with a touch of heat. In a food processor or blender, combine half cup of natural peanut butter. To add a creamy texture, add 1/3 cup of coconut milk. For tangy flavor, let's add 1 tablespoon of tamarind paste. Add a tablespoon of soy sauce or tamari to unlock the savory umami flavor. To add a fragrant element to the peanut sauce, grate about half teaspoon of ginger. Don't forget the garlic. Adding 1 grated or minced clove will take your peanut sauce to the next level. Add 1 teaspoon of sriracha sauce or your favorite chili sauce for a kick. Finally, for a bit of brightness, add 1 tablespoon of lime juice. Now, blend until smooth. For a thinner sauce, add water by the teaspoon until desired consistency. This is the sweet spot, not too thick and not too thin. This salad is incredibly versatile. Feel free to toss in any protein or vegetable you like. The key players, though, are the noodles. We opted for Vietnamese rice noodles. Their thin texture is perfect for a refreshing cold salad. Simply follow the packaging instructions and you're good to go. This recipe yields 2 servings. We'll be using approximately 150 grams of noodles. Next, let's shred about half cup of carrot for that subtle sweetness and crunch. For a pop of sweetness and vibrant color, toss in half cup of diced red bell pepper. Shred half cup of red cabbage. They are the perfect veggie that can absorb the flavors of the dressing. For a good source of protein, add a 1/4 cup of cooked edamame beans. Another great source of protein is tofu. We'll cut 200 grams of it into bite-sized pieces to add a satisfying texture to the salad. A touch of salt will bring out its savory side. Then spray with avocado oil. Into the air fryer basket and air fry for 10 to 15 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's load it up with another protein, this time with 250 grams of chicken breast. Butterfly the chicken and season with salt and black pepper. Heat a pan or grill with a drizzle of oil over medium heat. Add the chicken and cook until golden brown and cook through about 5 to 7 minutes per side. Allow the chicken to rest, then slice. Now the fun part. Toss all the delicious ingredients together in a mixing bowl. Add some chopped green onion and cilantro. Then drizzle with that amazing peanut sauce. And finally, garnish with sesame seeds and crushed peanuts. That's it! easy as pie. A delicious and easy Asian salad with a flavorful peanut sauce dressing. Feel free to experiment with different proteins and veggies. This Asian salad with peanut sauce is a refreshing and flavorful addition to your lunch or dinner repertoire. Thank you for joining us, and we hope you like this recipe. And if you do, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Until then, we will see you next time for more quick, easy, and delicious recipes.